My dreams come true.
Okay. Let's go have some fun.